Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Use Basic. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can sign in into ChatGPT on your mobile devices. If you already have the ChatGPT app installed on your device, you can simply continue the sign-in process through it. But today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can sign in to ChatGPT from your own browsers. Firstly, open Google if you're on Android or the Safari browser if you're on iOS device. In the search bar, type chatgpt.com to access ChatGPT by OpenAI. You will now be redirected to the welcome page of ChatGPT where you'll have the option to log in, sign up, or stay logged out. Simply click on Sign Up to get started. You now have an option to create your account with your email address, your Google account, Microsoft account, or your Apple account. Simply enter your email address and tap on Continue button. You should now enter a strong password that must at least contain 12 characters and then simply click on Continue button. You will now need to verify your email address from which you have signed in. To verify, you need to simply open your Gmail. You'll see an email sent by ChatGPT. Simply click on the email and then click on the Verify Email Address button. You will be asked to enter your full name and your birthday. Simply enter the details and click on Agree. You have now successfully signed up to ChatGPT by OpenAI. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. Thank you for watching.